Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Katora Cerrone and I'm coming to you with my first hair tutorial. And as you guys saw in the description box, this is going to be a protective style. It's great for natural hair, and I'm going to be doing a jumbo braid today. I'm going to show you two ways that you can wear it, and it's about to be super easy. It's super affordable, and yeah, so let's get started. So first off, we're going to start with a high pony. Okay, so you want to make sure that this ponytail is going to be as smoothed out as possible, because this is your foundation. You don't have any time for stuff to be frizzing and going all over the place, and if this ponytail is loose, that braid is going to be loose and your hair about to be on the floor. So I'm going to smooth this out. And I'm going to make this. So it's nice and tight. We're going to get into these edges in a second. But in the meantime, I'm going to just twist this up into a little bun, because this bun is where we're going to, is going to help us secure our ponytail. So I'm actually going to secure this with a scrunchie. You could bobby pin it, but I'm just going to wrap it with another scrunchie. Alright, so I got my little bun. Alright, so for these edges, I'm actually going to be using Melan Extensions Perfect Edges. And they come in two different sizes. They come in a 4-ounce and a 2-ounce. I'll put the prices attached, as well as the Instagram where you can find these products. And since we're doing a whole ponytail, I'm gonna just go straight for the big one because we're gonna need this. So Perfect Edges, it's a no flaking edge control, which is really good for natural hair, because in instances like today, you might be doing multiple styles, you know, change your hair around a lot, and at least this way it'll give you a hold, but you know, it's not gonna flake, it's gonna stay in place. And if you need to brush it out and switch it up, you can do that without having to wash it all out and all that nonsense. So thank you for this, and I'm gonna get a decent amount. And off the bat, I can already tell you it is so smooth and like silky feeling. It doesn't feel like a gel at all. And all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply this to my edges and into my hairline a bit. Now, everybody has a different way to lay their edges. This is just my preference. Okay. And I'm gonna use a little itty bitty amount of my Gotta Be freezing spray, and I'm going to spray my toothbrush with this. Some people like to put a little water on their toothbrush. I like to use a little bit of the Got To Be, because it just helps activate everything. Put a little bit on the back too, just stick down those BDBs in the back. I gotta make sure those are down too. So shout out to Melan Extensions for the perfect edges, because they're lame. I'm going to tie these down with my scarf just so that they can sit and do their thing. I'm using 1 pack of braiding hair. This was actually a gift, so I'm not even sure what brand it was, but I was like, hey, I have some braiding hair, I'm gonna make it work. It's in this brownish color. My hair is off black right now, so we'll see, but it should be all right. So you know, it comes all beads. Alright, so what you're gonna do, even it out, and right in the middle, you're gonna take your hair tie. You're gonna put it underneath like this. Put it through the middle and pull. Putting it on just like a scrunchie. Over. Now I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out. And this part, it can be your braid. And now my braid that I'm making, I'm not making a tight braid. This braid will be a little bigger than what I made it, so I'm just gonna kind of flip it out. And what you're gonna do is tuck your bun right into the braid. Use these big straight pins. Some people wear their braids and stuff like this, but I think it could be cuter. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how to add a cute little touch. Some hot water in the meantime, and all I did is put it for like 2 minutes in the microwave, and I'm going to dip these in the water. They have holes and they hold hot water in them. Make sure they're dry before you take them out so you don't burn your leg like I did. So this is going to be option number 2 for this look. I'm going to be doing a middle part. Okay, so I'm going to make it into a bun. with my perfect edges, I'm going to grab some edge control. I'm gonna put some on my part too, just because I want that to be really smooth.